All right, guys, what's going on? It's Stefan, S&E's Garage. Today is a very big day here in New Jersey, at least for the car community. Today is the season opener for the Sweetwater Cafe Cars and Coffee in Toms River, New Jersey at the Ocean County Mall. And we have both of the cars prepped and ready to go. We're gonna take you with us. We're gonna check out some real sweet cars. We're gonna enjoy a nice cruise there. We're meeting up with a couple other cars. There's a Camaro ZL1, ZR1, whatever it is. It's the supercharged one. And a couple other neat cars we're gonna cruise up there with. So we're gonna set you up on our GoPro and we're gonna have some fun today. All right, guys, we made it to the meetup location.
What up, what up?
Here's Koopy. Believe it or not, he actually married me. So
yes,
he ruined my single life. Thanks.
Officially.
So we got the ZL1,
GTR,
we got the Scat,
and the GTR.
We got the Vet, and there's a Jetur back there. You want me to park? All right, guys, and we're moving out. Let's let this Vet out. Let Shawnee go in the Scat. Mommy's right in front of us. We're gonna get her right now. Here's Mommy. There's Mommy, and then there's Ray in his Audi. So this here's my boy, Frankie's Scion FRS. I had a BRZ a while ago, and him and I got him at about the same time, but he absolutely killed it here with this thing. If I kept mine, I probably would have done a bit more with it, but we kept it mostly stock. I just turboed it and stuff. But
who does that for you? Oh yeah.
He did a Galaxy headliner up there. He went all out with this thing. He redid the gauge cluster. So Frankie, is this really a financial mistake?
Yes.
All cars are, aren't they? Say hi, Mom. Shawnee boy. We've had his car featured on the channel before. Doing that rear diff service. We're all the way over there with our hood open. Let's go ahead and go for a walk. Look at this Saline Mustang. That one's a Grabber Blue. That was the color my old one was. Em, this is the same color that your dad's was.
I know.
Take a picture of that for him.
Oh my god, look at
It's a Gallardo.
always say that.
And maybe one day. Maybe one day.
Where's my
Chilaquiles, like, oh, dude. So you order.
Got some old school here with some new school. It's a good mix.
I haven't seen that thing in forever.
What's up, man?
Yo! What's up, guy?
How you doing?
How's everything?
This is Shadow Schroeder here.
Stefan, S&E Garage.
Yep, we're gonna go ahead and link him in the video.
Yeah, look, we're in the video right
Hey!
dead.
Oh my god.
Seeing celebrities in action.
there. Yeah, it is what it is.
That's your autograph. I'm not knowing you, but
Something just started. He's probably got one of the cleanest IS300 350 builds in the state. Oh, stop.
Stop.
We'll check it out when we walk over there.
I was just gonna say, you'll guys see his GS-F. It's really nice.
Gang, gang.
I'll see you guys around.
Be good, man. This V just drove by. Thing was shaking the fucking ground. Dude, that dump pipe is the size of my head. That heat wrapping must have taken hours. I have no patience for that shit, dude.
Never look at mommy's car.
Yeah, it's like mommy's. There's that V. I would die in that thing.
What thing?
That V. My boy Maverick wants to see this truck. Is that what you want to see, Mav? The truck? Look at the size of this thing. I don't even think Maverick is as tall as these tires. The Vet?
No, this.
Oh. The Vet's Pro Charged, it looks like. Yeah, there's an air to water intercooler here. It's a Vortec.
Ditch my jacket. It's getting kind of warm now.
This thing's clean.
Luckily, I haven't been through a summer with this.
So here's Shadow Schroeder's car. And he actually has a lot of the same things that we did. He did the RR Racing heat shield here. Obviously he has the V6, so this is the 2GR FKS. So they had to relocate the oil cap because in the 2GR FSE, it's in the center of it. So this is like one of the first iterations of that kit. But he's got some carbon fiber covers here on the mirror. He's lowered on some springs, I think. I'm trying to get him to go coils. Maybe we'll do a video. But it looks like mint. The Arc Performance exhaust. Definitely, like I said, one of the cleanest 300 350s in the state. Now last year, Cars and Coffee season opener, I believe it was, somebody dropped a motorcycle on this car, caved the whole door in. I was sick. I was so upset for him.
Can't wait to see it. They're made the same. It'll all match. It'll all make sense. It'll all make sense.
Subi gang, I guess.
Nice one.
This is beautiful. There's Type R there. Now we're in the Focus gang. And actually a pretty clean Elantra Sport. Is this Sergio's car in? The Pinto? Yeah, I thought so.
That's all I can afford in this state.
Nice Porsche.
I was going to, but then I was
Ferrari.
We're going to see the turd.
any human being on planet Earth should love Porsche.
Oh my God, is that in the plane? Every YouTuber.
Yeah, every single YouTuber on the planet has a McLaren.
You'll get one.
I hope if my channel gets that big, I would.
Everyone gets one eventually.
I'll be the 30th, 29th, 30th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd.
So we're going the 30th
Nice
to the.
We're actually going like when you leave for Super Bowl. This is great.
If my YouTube ever blows up,
Are you gonna
hint, you guys better keep watching so it does blow up. But I would get a Lexus LFA. That is my Hail Mary car.
Yep.
That is my I hit the jackpot. Emily made an OnlyFans and took off, and my YouTube took off, and I can afford an LFA. That's the
You out your damn mind.
that's the only way that's gonna happen is if my YouTube blows up and Emily gets an OnlyFans.
No, never happened.
And then you
You're
gotta
a
find one
MILF.
for
Get
sale.
out of here. Now this is what I was trying to talk Emily into getting instead of the RT Durango that we have, but instead she bought an RT Durango and a Mustang, so 2 cars for the price of 1, I guess. Right, Em?
I like it though.
Can you imagine 700 horsepower in a family truck?
No. Dangerous. Not good.
Me, you, and the kids would be dead.
Too fast. Look at this thing. So,
707 horsepower with a warranty. You can't beat it. I put 700 horsepower in my car. Oh, my car's a 16. I don't have a warranty anyway. I couldn't just... Damn. Nice little red Ford wagon truck thing.
wow, look at this. Oh,
I just said that.
is this like the one we found in the woods?
No. I think what we found in the woods was an old International.
Yeah.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good.
Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's like your
I
toys.
came all the way from Iowa.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I found it on one night. I couldn't sleep one night, so I was on cars.com.
Yeah.
Also, I'm looking, and I got to the last page. It was on the last page.
Oh wow.
And I looked at it, and I told the guy, I said, I want that truck. He's like, okay. I said, I'll buy it sight unseen. I said, I'm not flying out there. I'm not doing anything. okay. He says, well, you know, I just paid the shipping. I was like, I'm not paying shipping. I said, you're shipping it to me.
Yeah.
For what I'm paying for this thing, you're gonna
ship. Yeah.
And he did.
He
agreed to it.
He did the restore work, or did you do it?
No, the previous owner did it, and then he passed away.
Oh,
so
man.
his family didn't want the truck.
Yeah.
So they sold it to a dealership, and I got it through a dealership.
There you go. That's beautiful.
He had redone everything. Yeah. Thanks.
It's like a time capsule.
Yeah, right.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, enjoy driving. It's a beautiful day today. Crank them windows down and cruise.
Thank you. You too.
Out in the woods with that fast reverse forward. But it was like from the 1900s.
There was no frame. There was no bed. It was just a cab sitting there. The roof was ripped off. There was like a tree growing through it. It's been out there for a while, but oh, this thing's cool. Mach 1. Here's another McLaren. Maverick, don't get up, buddy. This thing is clean too. Yeah. Carbon fiber. What's that? Hellcat next to it. Actually, a really clean M3. Hey. Here's the Hemis. Oh, that's what Trans is that? That's the Mercedes Trans. The NAB 1. Yep. NAB 1. And then these are basically, the Crossfire is basically a Mercedes. I love the howl of the engines you get in the background from all the cars leaving.
Probably like if we had a warm day, like in February, I'd wash the car.
This is like Hemi Alley. It's Hemi Alley. This is 6.1, right? In this, but you can tell the metal manifold. Is that how you? Yeah.
Look at those wheels.
Those are.
I love this wide body so much.
Yeah, they look pretty good. Your dad would like those wheels. He loves that dish look. Oh, are those stock wheels?
Yeah.
What?
305 square all the way around.
Holy crap! It's like a track car. Road course.
I got murdered by one like 2 months ago on a roll.
Hey, Stephen, look at that splitter.
Yeah.
See how they did it?
Yeah, they angled it, and it still got dinged up. That's what that's why I'm like.
What do you mean dinged up?
So you hit the ground.
Yeah, that's why. I mean, I like my splitter and I like your splitter, but they're like the first thing to get hit when. Is it 300 with a 6.4? With the Brembos. Here's the basic traffic. I think we're at the end of the Cars and Coffee here. We're looking at Hyundais and Teslas.
and that Scion back there. This Honda right here's got carbon fiber, like the whole thing.
It's 2000.
All carbon fiber in the front.
This Lambo's clean. This was like my dream car when I was a kid.
I think it was everybody.
Yeah.
It still is.
It's another YouTube car though. A lot of YouTubers get these.
Really?
Yeah. Hoovie's Garage had one. No, yeah, he did. He had a blue one. Some old vets. I think that's Milan. If we're gonna walk, I gotta put the stroller back in the car, okay?
I don't need a color. I mean, like, I don't mind if
You should tell them what. Okay, waving all goofy.
like,
Not
I like
you.
it better when it's like integrated into the dash, not when it's just like.
That's what I like about it. Yeah, it has a 12-inch.
Puppy. There's GT500. There we are back there. I had to get that license plate because as I walked by it, I said, stupid. I said it just like that, too.
I forgot that I had it.
There's another couple vets.
It's in your garage. Same.
Did you hear what I said? I forgot
What?
that I had wheels for a minute.
Oh, my God.
It's in the garage. You don't go in the garage. You just won't see it.
Here we are. There's the Mustang.
Stupid.
It's stupid. It's no, that's that license plate over there. And oh, I don't know. Check it out. There's another cool one.
Yeah, I was like, wait a minute, I know this car.
Now I swear I did not plan this. Neither did Clinton. But Shadow Schroeder here is in front of us. I guess he had the same idea that we did and left at the same time. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed our little cars and coffee thing here. We got Mommy and the Mustang over here.
What?
And we're gonna get ready to go ahead and cruise home, right Mav? Did you have fun? That's what it's all about. Thank you for watching, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.